Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Oceans. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. I am happy to see you again. Friends, I am here to show you an amazing platform, but this is not a financial advertise. It's just an opinion in this video. So stay with me after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we are here to introduce an amazing project, the NexusDeFi. So what is the NexusDeFi and how does it work, and a lot of things for sure, a lot of questions. I will reply all this on this amazing video. So the NexusDeFi is an all-in-one DeFi super app that unified wallets, trading, staking, NFTs, and automation into one secure, non-custodial platform, supporting more than 100 blockchain and 100,000 cryptocurrency. It merged AI trading, copy bots, crossing chain bridge, and fiat currencies under a single interface. No QRC needed, and designed for global scalability and real-world utility. So the NexusDeFi positions finance, employing users to trade, earn, and automate seamlessly. So here you have the official website. As you see, you can see all crypto, one app, total control. So the Nexus is the first true operation system for the decentralized economy. I'll show you how you can connect the wallet. First of all, you can check your language because they have a lot of language here. You can check any single language, even Arabic, Bulgarian, English, Russian, Korean, Chinese, French, and a lot of language. So you can see the official social media. So first of all, you can see it about the staking, the about, the Tokenomics, the roadmap, the security, the white paper, etc. So how to buy in just simple 4 steps. So you can just create your wallet like MetaMask or any other free wallet, and you can also check or get some crypto like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and then you can go to the presale and you can buy the NXS. So I will show you how you can do this. So this is the end of the crypto chaos. The modern crypto users jungles dozens of apps, exposing them to complexity, security risk, and higher price. Nexus solves this fragmentation by unifying the entire crypto world into a single sovereign non-custodial super app. So everything is here. This is how the community first ecosystem shows, and this is the token allocation like the presale and 50% on it. Also for the staking 25, CX listening 10%, development 10%, and the marketing only 5%. So Unifying a fragmented world and a lot of things for sure. So the project really secure, as you see in the privacy by default. The MPC wallet, they have the transaction sandbox and the token trust score, architectural privacy also. So this is the roadmap, when it starts and what does it shadows, and how you can check some questions here, the important questions like what is the presale or how does it works, and also what blockchain will NXS be released on, etc. So as I mentioned before in the past video, don't forget to read about the white paper, because every single project, I advise anyone who wants to invest on the project to make his own review. That's how you can check the white paper. It is all information, it has all the informations. So everything is clear. This is the roadmap and security and the economics and about the project here and about the staking for sure. I will explain everything about this laterly. So you can just connect your wallet, select for example Solana or AVM, choose for example the Solana here, and you can just search which one. So if you cannot find any wallet here, you can just for example search for, if you put MetaMask like this, I think they don't have MetaMask, but you can use for example Phantom or Trust Wallet. So I will download the Phantom here. After that I will just receive. Here I have MetaMask on my wallet, so I just need to connect it with the official website. This is my address wallet, and you can see your stakeable and the total staked, and here we have the estimated rewards 100% and the total rewards 0 NXS, and you can claim your reward by click here if you need. So everything is clear. For the withdrawal of the staking, you can just check it here, and you can also buy the Nexus here. So this is the price for the NXS is 0.002515, and we are currently on the stage 2. It means the total stage will be 65, and this is really good for you guys. 70% has been sold before, and the presale is live now. We can also buy it with the Ethereum, Solana, USDS, USDC, and USDT, and your bank or the BNB. So you can just put here how much that you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy it with the Solana here, just click Solana or BNB or Ethereum or any other one. So just put, for example, 0.5 here equal 32,026 of NXS. Then you can just click here buy, and you can buy it successful. You can change any, if you want to change the currency that you want to buy with it, that you want to use it. For example, if you want to make 0.01, and you can just click here buy in SEC, but you can also pay with your card instead. You can just click here and you can buy with your card. So don't forget that now it is only the stage 2. It means that the price will increase in the future, and that means you can get rich and get money with this token. So almost 155,079 token dollars has been sold before. So everything is clear with the Nexus pre-sale. So you can check here the official X and Instagram and Telegram. This is the official X. It is a verified page. You have to be careful about that, even if it is just a new order, but for sure it is a good profile. So you can see everything is here. Some posts about the platform, about the project here, and you can check here the official group. They have almost 120 members. It means the group is still small, but we will have to work on it, and we will for sure grow with it. So you have to click here and prove that you are human first, then you can just go and make it clear. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. You can check also the official X account or official Instagram account. Let's check the Instagram account. This is the Instagram account. It's not working yet, but it will be working in the next videos. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon, and goodbye.